Hey, what's up? This is BMX1Hacker2 and this is my bike check. I have a Fit Park 1 2009 model, but here it goes. Alright, well, I got nitrous double shot rims, front and back. Obviously they are blue. I have Primo The Wall tires with some valve caps that I got at my local bike store, aka Frankfurt Bikes. I have stock stem, Animal Edwin De La Rosa grips, and I have Animal bars. These are the aluminum, as you can see. I have a bunch of stickers, just random. DK PC pedals with a Shadow Conspiracy 25-tooth sprocket and a KMC heavy duty chain in blue. And back here I have the obviously 9-tooth with the 25-tooth sprocket, the nitrous double shot back rims, and Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat with a Fit Bike Co. seat post that is very short and it's aluminum. It goes very low, as you can see. Just about 2 inches long, I want to say. And this is my bike check.